The 2025 BMW X5 represents a refined evolution of one of the most popular luxury SUVs on the market. Combining power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology, it continues to push the boundaries of what a premium SUV can offer. With updated styling, advanced driver assistance features, and improved powertrains, the new X5 ensures that BMW remains competitive in a rapidly evolving segment. The exterior of the 2025 X5 features subtle yet significant design enhancements. The front end sports a more sculpted appearance with slimmer adaptive LED headlights, an illuminated kidney grille option, and a reworked bumper for a sportier stance. The rear taillights have also been redesigned with a more striking lighting signature. BMW introduces new metallic paint options, including Blue Ridge Mountain, Isle of Man Green, and Frozen Pure Gray. Wheel designs range from 20 to 22 inches, with the M Sport package adding more aggressive styling elements like larger air intakes, gloss black trim, and aerodynamic upgrades. Under the hood, BMW offers multiple powertrain options, all incorporating mild hybrid technology for improved efficiency and performance. The X5 xDrive 40i comes equipped with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, producing around 375 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque. This setup enhances both acceleration and fuel economy. The plug-in, hybrid X5 xDrive 50e combines a turbocharged inline-six with an electric motor, delivering an impressive 483 horsepower and an electric-only range of approximately 40 miles, making it a strong choice for those seeking both performance and efficiency. For those desiring more power, the X5 M60i features a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 523 horsepower, while the top-tier X5 M competition takes it even further with a high-output version of the same engine, pushing power beyond 600 horsepower. Bike-Oli models feature an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system for optimal traction and control. Inside, the 2025 X5 offers a luxurious and technology-packed cabin. The centerpiece is BMW's curved display, which merges a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, running the latest iDrive 8.5 system. This interface supports over-the-air updates, enhanced voice controls, and improved navigation. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Higher trims offer a Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system for an even more immersive audio experience. The cabin materials are top-notch, with options like open-pore wood, carbon fiber, and extended merino leather upholstery. Heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting create a refined atmosphere. Safety and driver assistance technologies have been further improved in the 2025 X5. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. Higher trims offer hands-free highway driving capabilities and an upgraded parking assist system with a 360-degree camera. The optional driving assistance professional package provides even more advanced features, such as automatic lane changes and traffic jam assist. With its combination of performance, luxury, and technology, the 2025 BMW X5 continues to set the standard in the midsize luxury SUV segment. Its refreshed styling, improved powertrains, and cutting-edge features ensure that it remains a top choice for buyers seeking an all-around premium driving experience.